Let's take a look at the process of meiosis in the female. Prior to birth, the female cells that are destined to undergo meiosis will go through mitosis to produce millions of what are called primary oocytes. Okay, now before birth, meiosis will begin in these primary oocytes, and that is in contrast to males. Males do not begin meiosis until such time that puberty is reached. But when a female child is born, her ovaries have already engaged in the process of meiosis. So things are stopping in prophase 1 prior to birth. When puberty is reached and the female begins the menstrual cycle, that's when meiosis continues. So meiosis 1 continues at puberty. When the female ovulates the egg, remember that egg would be haploid. Now, I indicated earlier we would talk about polar bodies. As meiosis takes place, the first meiotic division will produce a polar body that's also haploid. It's just that at cytokinesis, one of the cells, one of the daughter cells of meiosis 1, basically hogs the cytoplasm in the organelles. The other one has the DNA needed, but it doesn't have the cytoplasm and the organelles associated with it. This is called a polar body, which is a non-viable product of meiosis. So this one arrests in metaphase of meiosis 2. Then we have ovulation and the opportunity for fertilization. Please note this, meiosis only completes if fertilization happens. So when the sperm cell penetrates the egg, the second meiotic division will take place. We can get the production of a second polar body, and we will get the fertilized egg, which is now diploid. So the sperm contributes 1N, the egg contributes 1N, so 1N plus 1N is 2N, or the diploid cell. The fertilized egg is sometimes referred to as the zygote, and that is the first diploid cell. So all of the cells in your body, if you were setting up sort of a family tree of cells, all of the cells in your body could trace back to ultimately this cell produced again by fertilization.